Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's keep up with the analysis of the Forex market today. Actually, I would like to show you the picture on the Great British Pound. So because here we also keep an eye on some trading setup that we discussed previously. So once the upper direction mostly is over, I mean, at least stands near the targets that we have estimated for trading on the intraday charts, on the daily chart, bears could start playing currently on the Great British Pound as well, because market is coming to a significant resistance. First, in the beginning, just a few words on the euro currency. So yesterday I warned you as in a video, as in a post in the forum, that I have a bad feeling about the bearish setup on euro currency. Although it might be formed, so some signs exist, but the way how market shows the price performs, well, it makes me think that probably action could be different. And as you can see on the hourly chart, actually the shape of the hand shorts has been erased. Markets keep going higher, mostly standing to form the butterfly. That's why in the current circumstances, probably the suggestion that we have made is probably the butterfly here might be formed, and even market could try moving to the XOP, probably, well, now has some reasons to suggest, and we could keep an eye on this performance in nearest time. Market's just a bit overextended on the daily chart, and that's why the upper direction might be not as strong. So on the Great British Pound, situation stands a bit more interesting as more patterns are forming there. So first of all, I would like to remind you a bit midterm expectations, that we think that actually this bounce is a temporal. This is not the reversal, this is not the changing of the major tendency, because just to remind you, recall that we have this ABCD pattern with the fast CD leg down. It's definitely here some acceleration, and we have uncompleted XOP, and XOP has not been completed mostly because of the weekly oversold area. This market hits, shows the bounce. So in a medium-term perspective, market will try to complete this XOP target. Besides, on the weekly chart, as I also have shown you, you can see that market already stands between on the weekly chart. So already has dropped below the OP, broken the major support area, and shows the response on the resistance, on oversold. Once this pullback will be over, at least the technical picture suggests that market should try to complete the XOP target as well. So that's what about a bit longer term perspective. Now market is coming to strong resistance. The confidence area is 27.33, 27.62. It's accompanied with the daily overbought. This is good area if you would like to play on the bearish side. This is good area to consider for hiding the stops. So you could place stop above this level. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that this area is not just a confidence but also an agreement. This market mostly has completed the OP target. Just a few pips stands till the OP. And definitely we see the slowdown here. So the CD leg is slowing, which suggests that the chances on reversal at the OP stand significant. So usually when the CD leg shows the slowdown, it means that after OP, not just retracement could follow in the market, keep going higher, but the slowdown in CD leg mostly, it means that chance on the reversal stands significant. Finally, on the hourly chart, we have the same pattern as in the euro currency, which is the butterfly. It's also 1618, and here has the same target as the OP. It's 2676, OP 2674. So just 2 pips until this target, so mostly it's also done. Since these minor changes are not really vital for trading on the daily weekly chart, you could think about the position taking, placing stop above the daily confidence and see what will happen. Yes, theoretically it might be that we might maybe some final effort to complete the OP, hit the 1618 target. Well, but currently it is impossible to say whether this will happen or not. Anyway, in general, taking a look at the setup in general, the market already stands in a place when you should think about the position taking if you would like to trade cable to the downside. Alternatively, if you are conservative enough and you do not prefer to trying to catch the tops and bottoms, getting the best price for entry, this is the company with some risk, you could wait, because if it's really things that we are talking about, on the hourly chart we could get, I will not be surprised at least, if we will get the hand shoulders later. If we are correct now, a suggestion that market should keep going lower. So that will be another chance to take a position somewhere around 26 probably, when a right arm will be formed in next week. So that's actually the ways how we could deal with this situation if you're interested with it. We think that setup is really nice because here you can see lots of clear patterns, and it's more or less easy to trade because we know invalidation points, we know the patterns, we know the target. So actually it's just technical issues to open position, play stops and so on.